Don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, we're doing wrong.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Miss Style Fling. I hope you're doing good. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I'm doing this glossy glowing makeup look. So if you want to know how you can do a glossy glowing makeup look, so for that watch this video till the end. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Without any further ado, let's get started. So you have taken the primer. Okay, the next is make sure you use a nice strobe cream if you want that glowing skin. I'm using this one, I'm using the MAC one. Okay, it's a MAC strobe cream. It's in gold. Yeah, it's Goldlite. It's very nice. So yeah, and this time use a little bit more. Make sure you're using it in the right way.
Put it all over your face nicely. The neck also. क्योंकि हम क्या करते हैं most of the time हम face पे लगा देते हैं. The neck part we always leave it and it looks very bad.
Without doing anything, you can get that glow just with one product, which is the strobe cream. And I prefer the MAC one because I think it's the best one out there in the market. So yeah, how nice is it? The next one we're gonna use now, foundation. And I think if you use a liquid foundation, you can get a more glowing skin than other ones. That's what I think, okay? So yeah, let's start. And for more glow, you can apply then also strobe cream लगाने के बाद apply a little bit of strobe cream into your foundation and mix it
well. Apply to your face.
See how much skin is glowing with just one foundation, just because of the strobe cream. I think it's the best thing to apply when you want that glow and that glossy look. Okay, now I'm going to do concealer. I'm using the Maybelline one. I think for when you're doing a glossy look, you want to brighten the under eye, and this is the best product for that. I think you should purchase this if you don't have it. This is the best one out there. And always use a nice sponge for concealer. This is 2 to 1. flat pencil. Now it looks so better. Okay, now again we're going to do concealer. Now I'm going to use this Smashbox one. This is our Smashbox concealer. You can see it. Yeah. Okay, this is also a very nice one. But I'm just going to use it a little bit over my nose. Again, I'm going to use the Maybelline one, and then again हम थोड़ा नीचे लगाएंगे वापस से, so that it can be a little more brighter. Put the loose powder only under the eye, and if you want, upon the lids, so that थोड़ा अच्छा लगे ऊपर. Okay, now I'm gonna put kajal. I'm gonna use white kajal. Not much, just white kajal. White kajal makes your eye look bigger, so it's a nice thing if you use a kajal white one. Now we'll cover the lashes. I know it looks a little pretty dangerous. Now let's use mascara. This one is Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Okay. Oops, I forgot. We need to use eyeshadow first. How can I forget, man? Okay. For the eyeshadow, as we want something, we want a glossy glowing makeup look, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty palette. It's Emerald Obsession. It's again one of my favorites eyeshadows. We're going to use something like this. Okay, let's take the brush, man. Looks good. Okay.
I just opted for glitter eyeshadow. You can use something else. What do you like? be a much better option.
So we're done with the eyeshadow. Now we're into the mascara. Using the Maybelline one. Okay. Yes, let's do it. For the blush, we're going to use Bobbi Brown's cream blush. It's really nice. I think when you want that dewy glow effect, always first use, I think, cream blush. I think it works very well, it blends very well, it's really nice. So yeah.
Just dab it, don't need to do anything much.
So after the cream blush, I'm going to use this powder blush from Maybelline Fit for a more glowy effect. It's really nice.
Always take it till the end. On the other hand as well. I only got the cheeks.
A nice highlighter, which is the Maybelline one, Maybelline Master Chrome. Before it, I'm going to use the Benefit Gold Meets Pearl. This is a liquid highlighter and it's really nice for the glowing makeup. I think you should use it. Okay, now take a little bit.
Now I'm going to apply the Maybelline highlighter.
Now we are done for the face. Okay, now let's do the lips. For lips, I'm going to use this KayBeauty Fashionista. It's the pink color. Yeah. Now we're done with the lipstick, but the main part for the lips, for the glowing makeup is your lip gloss. I'm using this Victoria's Secret's Total Shine Addict. It's a flavored lip gloss and it's really nice. Alright. I use this one. I love this. So you can see the lip gloss. It's super nice, guys. You need to have this. Okay, so I'm done with the makeup. So guys, that's it for the video, and I hope you all liked it. This is what I do for the glossy glowing makeup look. I really like this look. Actually, it's something I want to do. I can do it forever and every day. Yeah, not like you can change your eyeshadow color if you want to, but I like this glitter Bobbi color and this lips. They are amazing. So yeah, I hope you liked it. So yeah, if you did, don't forget to like, comment down below what are your thoughts, what do you want to do it, will you do it, and share it with friends, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming with more fun videos and more good videos. So yeah, stay tuned. Till then, bye.